Guys, welcome back to Good Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Reddit app black screen issue on your Android devices as well as on your iOS. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do, just have to tap over here on the settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down and you have to tap over here. From here you have to select apps and you have to search for Reddit. You have to search for Reddit. Now from here you just have to tap on storage. From here you have to go for both the options, clear cache, and once it is done you just have to go for clear data. Go for OK. Once it is done you just have to go back once again and you will be having an option called force stop. You just have to tap over here and now go for force stop. Once it is done you just have to go back and you have to do a restart and try to open Reddit, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.